Every government contractor and small government contracting firm complains about saturation. There are too many bidders. I can't win. I'm too small. But the data says otherwise. There are specific markets, in this case, infrastructure and logistics markets, where the average number of bids is literally one. First up, we're going to talk about the first 5 of 10 NAICS codes where competition is statistically non-existent. So if you're in real estate, logistics, or manufacturing, this video could change your entire capture strategy for 2026. Let's get to the first one. Real estate, NAICS code 531190. What do we have? We have lessors of other real estate property. Average bids, 1. This isn't just big office buildings. It's niche leasing, storage, temporary land use, specific agency needs and rural areas. Agencies often have 0 options here. So if you own the dirt, you win the contract. Let's go to code number 2, clothing wholesale. That's right, clothing wholesale. NAICS codes 424320. This is number 2, men's and boys clothing wholesalers. Again, exactly 1 bid on average per solicitation. This is uniforms, protective gear, and basic apparel. Agencies don't want a fashion show. They want supply chain reliability. Can you source it? Then you can win it. Number 3, home health care. This is a big one. NAICS code 621610. This is massive, by the way. Home health care services, over 25,000 awards recently. The average bid count, by the way, on these 25,000 award is 1.02. That's right. Let me say this again. Over 25,000 awards were awarded recently. The average bid count per bid when it comes to all of these is 1.02. That's right. Crazy. The big national primes struggle with that last mile of care. Getting a nurse to a veteran's front door, if you are a local provider, you have a massive advantage when it comes to these opportunities. Number 4, scale manufacturing. NAICS code 333997. This is a niche, but absolutely necessary. And if you do this, pay attention. Scale and balance manufacturing. This is industrial weighing equipment. It's boring, technical, and on average has 1 bid. The government buys thousands of these for logistics hubs. Who is supplying them? Right now, barely anyone. Number 5, media manufacturing. This is NAICS code 334614. This is software and pre-recorded media manufacturing. This isn't coding, by the way. This is often duplication and distribution of existing media. There's been 58 awards recently, and on average, usually just 1 bidder. It's a small pond, but you can be the largest fish in that pond. And these are just the first 5 NAICS codes. In the next video, I'm going to cover the massive office supplies market and some high-value medical sectors that are wide open with similarly the least amount of bids per solicitation. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment if you have any questions. We try to answer every single comment as they come in. And make sure, go to this one up there, go to part 2, so you can keep on winning. Thanks for watching.